Hey, Scarlett, are you guarding your master? Everyone's your friend, Michael. You gonna help them in, Bodie?
Hey! Hi! Oh, right.
Flash, you gonna get it? Indy got his. Violet. Taking a rest from the balls, okay? Oh no! Oh no! Can we put them back in? Uh-oh. Okay, we'll get more, Regan. It's okay.
More.
Yeah.
More drugs?
Well, maybe they just want to eat them from your hand. I don't know. Uh-oh, they're stealing from your bucket. Get out of there, Bodie. It's always you, Bodie. Always you.
More boy. More boy.
There, Bodie.
More boy. Cashews. Cashews.
Are you speaking English? Bella's gonna have puppies. You gonna come play with the puppies in August? Wow, that's nice. Does Bear like those? Oh, give Sailor one. Just hand it to her. Very nice throw. Throw some up to Violet behind you.
What?
Violet, yeah, there she is. Right there. Yeah. Because she's the one that would come in and save you. She knows how to save little boys. Was that the frog? How's the frog going? You like that frog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big bird.
Big frog.